we will look at the subdivision surface generator. The subdivision surface generator is used to subdivide objects in Cinema 4D. Let's create a sphere. And to demonstrate this, let's enable the lines shading. So go to display and choose the road shading lines. Now by default, this sphere has 16 segments. Okay, 16 segments. Let's duplicate this sphere by holding Ctrl and dragging it down. Let's position it here. Now we are going to apply the subdivision surface generator onto one of them so that you see the difference between those two objects. So this is the subdivision surface. You click it and it will come there. Now we take the second sphere that we created and put it inside the subdivision surface. Now when we put it inside the subdivision surface, you've seen that the segments has increased a lot. That is what subdivision surface generator is used for. It is used for subdividing an object in Cinema 4D. Now when you look at it closely, you see that this object is very smooth, like very smooth circular shape, but this one it's a little bit jagged. Let's turn off the lines so that you see clearly. You see this is very smooth, and this you can still see some of the points here. Okay, so the subdivision surfaces smooths the objects by subdividing it multiple times. When you select the subdivision surface generator, we come to the attributes manager. Under the object tab, there are some parameters you can change. Okay, this is subdivision in editor. Whatever you change here, the amount of subdivision you give it here, you will see it in your viewport. Okay, let's enable the lines back so that you see it. Right now it's set to 2. If I put it on 3, you see it keeps increasing the segment. It keeps subdividing the objects in a higher step. I put it on 4, it goes again. So the more you go, the more denser your object becomes. Okay, let's put it on 2 again. With this one, the subdivision renderer, this will add the subdivisions all right, but you won't see it in your viewport. You will only see it when you hit render. Okay, so that is the difference between the subdivision in editor and subdivision render. The editor will subdivide your objects in your viewport so that you will see the subdivision going on, but sometimes you want to subdivide an object so high that your viewport will run slow. So with that, you use the subdivision renderer setting here and you give it the number that you want, so that when you render, it will use this parameter here to subdivide your object, but it will maintain this parameter in your viewport while you are working.